This is a QA24 Mimic panel for O-ring. It's one of the best panel in the market. Currently we install this panel at one of our client. Unfortunately we won't mention the name because the client referred not to post anything or mention the name. So this is a fire main microphone. So we are carrying a test and they will be activating on one of the plant or asset. So they will activate and you can see the display here on the Mimic panel. So I'll be giving the announcement here on this fireman microphone power 8009, and we will carry on with the test. Good morning everyone. We'll be carrying out the fire alarm test. So if you are in bell or the PA system go activated, please do not panic or run away. Do not panic or run. Continue with what you are doing because we'll be carrying out the test. Let me repeat. We'll be carrying out the test at plant 1. So if you hear the activation of the fire alarm bell or the PA system, please continue or proceed with what you're doing. It's a test. Thank you. Confirm. Announcement has been made. Over.
May I have your attention, please?
Confirm Mimic panel at the cutoff. Receive the signal. Over. Please proceed with the reset. Confirmed and thank you. System back normal at the showing at the Mimic guardhouse. Everything resetted. Thank you. Over. So basically they are activating the other two FIP, the QA16, the main panels at plant 1 and plant 2, and this is the Mimic panel. So I'm here at the Mimic panel. And as you can see on the video that we are carrying a test, so whatever they are doing at the QA16 panel, or they activating the MCP or the smoke detector, it will show here. No. Stay tuned for more updates.